All right, so today I'm trying something new, a window cleaning robot. I reviewed robot vacuums, pool cleaners, smart home stuff. Basically, if it moves on its own and saves me from doing like anything, I've probably used it. But a robot that cleans windows? It's new territory for me. This right here is the Winbot W2 Pro Omni. Big thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video and sending it out. As always, my review is my honest experience, so if this thing sucks, if it falls off the glass, I'm gonna tell you, all right? Anyways, let me walk you through what it was like testing this thing around my house. First off, the case. This thing comes in a really compact little hard shell, but inside you get the robot. See, just whoop, there it is. It's the robot. Also inside is the cleaning solution, the cable, cleaning pads, you name it. The big thing here is the portability. Everything has a spot and the whole thing feels like a single unit. Setup is way simpler than I expected. You just take it out, put it on the surface, let it grab, and then off it goes. Literally, that's it. You don't need to use the app if you don't want to, although you do get more options there for different levels of cleaning and even a remote control option. Once you start it, you get this little mist spray, which is kind of satisfying on its own. Then the robot starts doing its thing across the surface. You know, it changes direction, shifts up and down, hits the edges. It feels way more coordinated than I honestly expected. The edge cleaning, by the way, is legit. It goes right up to the edge of the frame and gets areas you'd really not expect the robot to be able to reach. So that was nice. Now, something that shocked me was the safety cord, right? If I come in here, there's this cord, right? And you would think if you were to tug on that, the robot would like freak out or fall off, and it literally didn't. It holds on extremely well. And I'm not saying you should hang on this thing while it's working, but it is way stronger than I expected. So for those of you worried, you don't have to. Now, in my bathroom, I find the shower door is annoying to clean by hand. I mean, just in general, but especially because my door has two panels that overlap and slide. Plus the handle, yeah, I mean, that just really doesn't help. It actually blocks the robot, for those of you wondering. So I had to clean in two smaller sections. That's not the robot's fault, but I wanted to point that out for anyone else that's in a similar situation. Now, with that said, it's pretty slim, so it can fit in tight areas like right here. So yeah, that's good to know. What impressed me was how it got over the metal clips holding my mirror in place. It didn't get caught and fall off. It just kind of powered over it. You know, if you think about robot vacuums, especially back in the day, it would see a sock and be like, oh, it just completely give up. And yeah, here's the before and the after. I wasn't able to get like amazing shots of this, but you could see that it actually did a really good job. And now when I look in the mirror, I can really appreciate what I'm looking at even more because it's me and I'm beautiful. Then of course, you know, I brought it to actual windows since that's the whole purpose of it. And the difference was noticeable right away. More sunlight came through and the glass, it looked clearer. You don't actually realize how hazy your windows are until you clean them. And then suddenly, wow, the whole room is significantly brighter. And to state the obvious, this is not going to replace professional cleaners that do deep cleans. But if you're looking to maintain windows week to week or after pollen season, this is honestly a great solution. So here are my real thoughts now that I've used it around the house more than once. Window cleaning robots are way less weird than I expected. And that's just, I don't know, I didn't think I'd ever say something like that, but the simplicity was nice because it really is press and go. Like you take it out of this, stick it to the surface and it just goes. It's actually easier than using most robot vacuums. It doesn't need to map the surface. It just understands that like, oh man, all right, gotta clean this window. And it just does it, just done, easy. Also, it can be used while plugged in for charging, but it can also be fully charged and used independently. Now, I will say, the price is about $700 right now. Obviously, they have sales all the time. I don't know what it is at this current moment, but it averages $700, which is not cheap. But it is also not as expensive as I would have predicted, honestly, considering how nice this is. I will say, if you have big windows, you know, lots of mirrors or an actual glass shower that's just all one piece and it's big, because those things are a pain to clean, I would actually recommend this, especially if they're high up and you have to whip out a ladder to clean, you know, windows in your living room or something. You could just send this robot up to do it for you. And if you have like one small bathroom mirror and like no windows because you live in a dungeon, then yeah, obviously don't get this. That would be overkill. But you know, just gotta mention that because someone's going to leave a comment like, oh, I have 7 windows. Is this good? No, Greg, it's not. The portability is just so good. The handle, it's nice. It's got the silicone underneath. You know, it's not heavy. Really, I don't think it's heavy at all. And the case opens and closes super easily. The cable retracting system, very cool. Reminds me of like the old school vacuums. I don't know. It's just it's a clean all-in-one unit that you can move around the house without hassle. And that's a big deal. Like I can see my mom using this, not being like, oh my God, you know, it's very, very simple to bring around. I went into this expecting a gimmick, and honestly, I came out thinking it's actually a pretty useful tool if your home has the right setup. But obviously, I'm going to keep testing it over the next few weeks. And if anything weird happens, or if I find something annoying about it, I'll update you. I'll leave a comment down below. But thanks again to ECOVACS for sending the Winbot W2 Pro Omni for me to test. And if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down below. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.